Hello! So sometimes you will run into an error with LightWave, with the layout when it comes to importing an object or a project where you come across LightWave crash reporter, a critical error has occurred, create a crash report. Now, the reason why this happens is usually due to the configs. I've only found this out over the weekend. I'm not the expert on this. I had to go online to get help to find out how to rectify it, and here's how you do it. So first of all, you want to go to File Explorer, and I'm using a Windows, so this is how to do it on Windows. I'll get to Mac in a second. So you're going to Windows 8 OS, and then you want to go down to Users. Through Users, you want to click on your name, then you want to go to .NewTek, and then go into LightWave, and then in here, usually, I've already done this is how I rectified it, so this is the old folder here. So these are the configs here, not in the actual config file. If you type in to your search engine, LightWave clearing configs or whatever, you'll come across this section where it says to do it with Windows, you delete these 4 extensions here. So you can go into and you can delete these 4 in here because they will be in here. Alternatively, if you don't like messing about with these files, because I don't, I'm not a computer technician, all you have to do is rename the file. So the file will come like this, or simply rename it _backup and then press enter, and when you start LightWave up next, it will make this new file, and then you'll be able to import things into LightWave. So that's how to do it really simply. To do it on Mac, I don't have a Mac, obviously, because I'm using Windows. For Macintosh, you locate this directory. So you go to Library, Application Support, NewTek, LightWave 2019, and then you delete these files just here, and then when you launch the program afresh, you'll be able to carry on with whatever it is that you're doing. Really simple, really quick, and it can save an awful lot of hassle when you realize how to do it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.